In the last lecture, we have seen this grammar is not LR0. Why? Because shift reduce conflict is coming here. With the plus transition, we can see at the second state, we have reduced also because second production is completed here and we are shifting for plus transition also. So shift reduce both are present in second state for plus transition. So R2 S3. So shift reduce conflict is there. So this is not LR0 grammar. Now we see next that it is LL1 or not. So for that we need to find out first of T plus E. First of T plus E, it means first of T, that is ID, and first of T is also ID for both. So we can say simply first of T plus E intersection first of T is not equal to 5, because both are common, both should be uncommon, that's why it is not equal to 5. So we can say this grammar is not LL1 because both the production first is common, that's why this grammar is not LL1. Now we check for SLR1. So we can see simply from here the problem is in because of reduction part in LR0 table. So we can say in SLR1 only reduce part will get change but shift part will remain same, because the problem because of reduction. So is in SLR1 only reduced part will get changed but shift part will remain same. So because reduction is in second part on second state, so we can see from here what we have E tends to T dot in second state here by this E tends to T dot. So by this we can say we can see the follow of it by seeing the follow. By seeing the follow, it will put R2 because R2 is reduction, we are seeing the reduction, that's why R2. By seeing the follow, it will put R2 that place where follow come. By seeing the follow, we can put R2 at that same place where follow come. So we will see where follow come, the follow of E. We can say simply the follow of E. So that is with this what grammar we have? We have E tends to T plus E and T tends to ID, that grammar we have. So we can see E goes to E, or we can say like this also, E tends to T plus E. So E goes to E only. So there is no other symbol. So because this is the first symbol of the grammar, so the follow of E will be dollar. The follow of E will be dollar. So we can see because the problem is from here we can say with plus and dollar symbol only. So we will write the thing here only, otherwise rest of the thing we will remain blank. So we can see the SLR on table what it will be. So from second state, what we have similar like it here, ID plus dollar. These are the terminal we have, and we are talking about the second state because in second state only we have shift reduce conflict. So what will come here we will see, because as you know only we are talking about reduction. So and the problem arise because of plus and dollar, because this is the follow. So we will put reduction in dollar, because what is the follow of E? Follow of E is dollar. So we are putting the reduction in R2, and rest will remain same because we are putting what we are seeing here. We are seeing here R2, that is reduction part only, because in SLR1 only reduction part will get changed, shift part will remain same. So only we are talking about R2, and we are putting R2 where we find the follow of E, and follow of E is dollar. So we are putting R2 simply in dollar, and rest part will remain same. So here R3 will remain same, and because dollar is the follow, so we will put R2 in dollar only, rest part will remain empty here. So this is SLR1 table, and we can see simply here there is no conflict. There is no conflict. So it is SLR1, or we can say the grammar is SLR1. So this is the way how we can find out the grammar is SLR0 or LL1 or SLR1 or not.